Welcome back to H.A.M, and today we've got a 2016 Kia Optima. They came in for a oil leak, which they have already had the old drain plug replaced. Looking up top, I did not see anything. However, now that I've got the car on the lift, as you can see walking under it, let's take a look around. Get some more light here. What we can see now, it is hard to tell without taking this oil soaked shield off, which I'm about to glove up and do. But looking, the oil filter is dry. What little bit I can see of the oil pan is also dry. But y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna glove up, grab some tools, get this taken off, and actually take a deeper look inside. Now this could just be from a previous oil change where they didn't tighten anything up and it just drained out. It's kind of typical of what you get when you go to these quick lube places. If you come to a mom and pop place like us here at H.A.M Auto, we pay attention to detail like this and make sure everything's tight. That way you don't end up wasting the money going to another shop to get diagnosed for something that might not actually be leaking. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll check back in once we get this off and take a deeper look around. Alright, I've got the shield down, and we're going to take a look around. We have a dry oil pan. Run the oil filter cooler, and the filter is dry. This has definitely been to a quick lube place with that oil filter. But we are seeing no oil leaks here, and it looks like this is just all old stuff from previous oil drain plug leak, which has been changed. But more importantly, come over here, we see a busted CV axle boot. You can see it split right there. That's going to be some little bit of knocking noise, shaking while driving. Other than that, I do not see anything.